2014 Golf TDI comes in with a strong shudder under acceleration, goes away when coasting. No other engine vibrations or anything known. This is caused by a bad inner CV. As you can hear that, there's play in every direction, up, down, left, right. That means that the rollers on the inside are completely worn and destroyed. The capture cup right here is also worn thanks to that extra gap that's been rolling. This vehicle initially started with very light vibration. Now it's extremely heavy. There's no saving the CV axle. This whole piece here will have to be replaced. And it is actually just cheaper to go ahead and order a new axle assembly rather than just doing the repair here. So we're going to go ahead and replace that.